You should not allow me to make video. You guys, wait, I'm making video.
Okay.
Yes. I want to cook food.
Mommy, Igbo children want to eat swallow.
What do you say? Oh, you won't tell me that you know that you are from Igbo?
Yeah.
What part of Igbo are you from?
Afa Ezuke Oba. Afa Ezuke Oba.
You say you are from where?
Ezuke Oba.
It's from Ezuke Oba.
Yes.
Yeah, you dey hear yourself say you from Oba.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. My street is from Enugu.
Which part of Igbo are you from?
Enugu is Suka. Enugu is Suka.
My lovely fans, welcome to Share Blessing channel. Okay, in today's video, I want to show you guys how to cook our village food, our village draw. Okay, it has more than 17 years. I have not tested it. I've never eaten the draw soup. They call it KK, Oro Ekiki. That is what they call it. Okay, for those of you that is from Kogi State, you know what I'm talking about. Oro Ekiki. It has been long, more than 17 years. I never eat it. I say, okay, my mom bring it for me. I said I should try it and cook it today, so that my Igbo children can test it. Let me see let me see if they will like it or not. After I went to go and deliver product to people, okay, I'm very fucking hungry. I want to eat. I want to use they call themselves for abacha. They call them alebo to eat the swallow so that I can enter my body well. Let me go and cook the Oro Ekiki for my Igbo children. This is the ingredient I'm gonna use. Okay, this is the ingredient I'm gonna is mangi, okpehe, pepper. This fish I bought is full fish. Let me keep all these things I buy from market and change clothes. My children just finish all the fish. Remain this one. And this is my crayfish and dry fish. Okay. This is the KK itself. This is the KK itself I'm gonna use. Okay. This is the meat I'm gonna use. Okay. This is the meat I'm gonna use. Okay. And this is my labor. The labor that I grind already finished. Will remain this small one. Okay. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to go to Engine. I'm fucking hungry because I just came back from where I went to do weaving. And this is my cow skin, okay? I'll use the remaining one to do pepper soup. Okay, this is my secret spice. Okay, seasoning. I don't joke with this secret spice. And this is orokoro. Call them okoro. I don't know how your own language call it. Okay, I will do it and use it to cook it. Thank you guys. I have cooked my meat and put my pomo and fish. Okay. The next I'll put away everything. The next is to add oil. I like to cook. Our meat is done with all the spices inside. Okay, I will pick all the meat and the fish inside one plate before I begin to mix the cake. I have picked all the fish inside. I have to add that cake. This is the main soup. I have mixed it already. You will not cook it again. No. The next thing is to add my meat. Okay, mix it. The soup is ready. You cannot dish with your favorite swallow to enjoy it. Yes, guys. This type of soup is not good to cook and keep it to. Okay, like 24 hours, it's supposed to don't finish. Okay, let me dish it to eat. This is my yes, guys, come and eat with me. Okay, this is the end of that one. This thing, I even pray my children agree it too. Pray my children, come and eat with us. Yes, guys, come and eat the swallow with me. Okay. It's sweet though. Don't pass 70 years that I taste this food. Oro Ekiki. I'm enjoying it.